Hello everyone, this is KawaiiTea again, and I'm back with another video. This is going to be a different one I've actually been planning to do for a while, because, yeah, a lot of people have been asking me how to create a VTuber avatar. So I was going to show you my easiest way of making a, VTuber, and it's really easy. You don't need any kind of advanced, like, drawing techniques or know how to draw at all, actually. All these programs are completely free, they're really easy to use, and yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. The first program you'll need is Vdraw Studio. I will put all the links in the description below, but yeah, so you can get, Vdraw Studio. And then after that, you will need an OBS Studio, which is the program I use. You can use Streamlabs OBS and some other stuff, but I usually just use regular OBS Studio. It just seems to be the simplest. I don't even run through how to set it up for your VTuber avatar. Okay, besides that, you will also need Vdraw, and this is the program that actually shows your avatar on screen. And it has a lot of different versions, as you can tell. Honestly, I've just been using the trial version the whole time. You can do a paid version, which isn't real expensive. It's only about 10 bucks, but you can do everything you need really with the trial version. But, yeah, so I will show you how to work everything and we will get started. So first you need to load up your Vdraw Studio. Here we go. We'll just create a new avatar. Okay, here it is. And I'm just going to show you a quick little tutorial on how to do everything. You have all these different editors. See face, hair, body, clothing in general. And basically, like clothing, you can choose different kinds of clothing you can do. And of course, they're going to have just default little designs, but you can customize them however you like. You can go pants, a school uniform, a long coat. And you can even change different things about it. So you can go, And literally, these are just little, of course, some of them don't really blend in, as you can tell, really well, but it's very easy to, do. So, because you can adjust all your, face things, and you can adjust all your hair. Don't be concerned if your hair doesn't look good, because you start with, like, no actual long hair, but that's what the hair editor's for. So use all these to adjust all your different facial features. You go to hair editor, you can go to the brush, and you can literally just draw the hair. See? And it's really easy. If you have like a drawing tablet, it's probably a lot easier, but honestly I just use the mouse. And of course this is the avatar I'm keeping. I'm just showing you it's really simple to just draw hair. You can grab the net even and change things on it. You can control points, click on the things you can adjust. So I can have the hair start at the top of the head. So if you make mistakes, it's really easy to fix. That's pretty much it. You can hide things. I mean, a lot of it's just learning how to use the editor, and I haven't used it in a while, so I'm kind of rusty. There's body editors where you can change hand size, arm length, neck size, everything down to, really giant heads. That's kind of weird, but okay. You have general editors, which is, you can change the width of the hair, which honestly just gives it a cel-shading look. You can go width of the face. And it's just basically just all those. You do shading, all sorts of other stuff, and then at the very end you do a camera. And there's just a lot of different things you can do. But that's pretty much the basis. There's a lot of videos on about how to do Vdraw Studio videos. I mean, how to create an avatar with it. So if you want a really in-depth one, there's a lot of great ones out there. I'll find one and link it down below. But, yeah. So that's pretty much it. So I will actually speed create a VTuber. And at the very end, I'll start showing it again. And I'm not good at ad-libbing. I'm sorry, guys. But okay, let me create one for you real quick. And then when I'm done, I will show you what to do, okay? Hey everybody, I'm done here. And I just made a little bitty schoolgirl, so I just made one out of scratch. And as you can tell, I have a fondness for pinks and blues. Yeah. And after you're going to want your avatar made, you're just going to go to Camera Exporter. It automatically blinks at you. You can have it smile. You can have it look sad. Surprise. Yeah. So you can see all the different types of things. You can put a background on it, like a green screen. You can do images, etc. I'm just going to give it a like a bluish background. We'll do purple. I like purple. Okay, so that is that. You can do lighting, effects, poses, animations. You can do different kinds of poses, so you can see what it looks like while running. You can see what it looks like while walking. One, laugh, damage is probably hurt. Damage is... oh. Okay. Oh, stop. Okay. And once you're all done, you can either export it or upload to Vdraw, which is its own site. I use it as well, and you can actually put your avatar on there, and you know, you can use it for all sorts of things and let people rate it. You can go see other people's avatar. It's a neat little website to check out sometime. But for now, if we're just going to use this one, we're going to go to export. Yep. And you're literally just going to click export. I will name this Kawaii School. Author doesn't really matter, Person you can act as this avatar, only the author. This stuff doesn't really matter unless you upload it to Vdraw. So click OK. Just label under 3D objects, avatars. And we'll just label this one Kawaii School. Save it. And it's all done. Okay. So now you have officially made your avatar. As you can tell, I just made a pink little schoolgirl here. You're going to minimize, ignore my OBS for the time being. Your next step you're going to want to do is actually load up Vdraw. It's a little bitty program. It doesn't really matter on your graphics. So I will hit play. Hopefully I'm not going to ruin all my settings for my avatar, but we'll see. I don't have the latest version, but that shouldn't matter. You're going to load VRM from local. You're going to find it, so I have mine labeled under 3D objects, avatars, and Kawaii School. So you just open that up. Okay, see, it shows a picture of yours. You can see all the information on it right here. I will go ahead and agree. As you can see, you have your avatar right here. And it's gonna... I'm not sure if it's because my settings are at defaults. It's been a while since I've used it, but you can go to other settings and you can actually have it mimic your voice. As you can see, I'm using a headset that's ran through my Xbox controller at the moment. Yeah. And when you actually do your avatar information, you can do all sorts of things with it. You can enable items. You can change your background of your avatar itself. That's going to be the most important part for a VTuber. I usually just have set it to green because I just never use green. Of course, if you have a green avatar, you can set it to pink, purple, whatever you want. Okay, so that part is good. You're going to have it set to green like I said. You can have yours do different things. You can have yours draw. And basically, it just goes around, and if you were on a drawing program, it would literally just draw everything you draw. You can all have a keyboard, which I've used in previous gaming videos. And it gets a little digital keyboard. You can have a controller, which I use for a lot of gaming as well. And you can make a little controller appear out of thin air. And anything you do on the controller, it will actually copy it and do it on that. So this is what you're going to need though. You're going to try to put your avatar somewhere where the trial words, if you use the trial version, you have this annoying little watermark. You just want to put the little trial words below it where it doesn't interfere with your avatar's appearance. And this is basically what your character is going to use. So after that, you have this all set up. This is going to run in the background when you play games and whatnot. You're going to switch over to OBS. I have my window capture disabled, but you're always going to want a display capture. And I will operate a new window capture so you see what I'm doing. Because literally just click the plus to assign everything. As you can tell, I'm already recording, but you're going to always want a display capture. It just captures anything on your screen. And then I usually do a window capture. Yeah. I'll create a new one. I will call this, avatar. You're going to want to capture this window right here, which is Vdraw.exe. Automatic is fine. You can capture the cursor or not. It really doesn't matter. You're going to click OK. And now you have this giant thing right here. And basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to Avatar, go to Filters. You're going to add a chroma key. I believe that's what it's called. And that filters out that whole green effect. And then besides that, you're going to want you can change the key color too if you have a green avatar. And after that, you're going to want crop. Okay. And literally, you can just crop your view so it only shows your avatar. Easiest way to do that is we'll go 200. Nope, not there yet. 300. Nope. 600. Nope. 800. Almost there. We're going to crop the top some, so we'll go 150. No. 250. No. 350. Oh, I did 650. My bad. 350. Okay. As you can see, we still see some of the bottom, so we're going to go 200. Nope, not that. Too much. 100. That's fine, just for the test. You can, like I said, adjust all your settings. 875. Nope. 999. Okay, that's fine. As you can see, you see my avatar who has the controller. And now that you got that there, you can set it right here. And as you can tell, I have a simple little avatar made from scratch. You can just, there you go. You can adjust the size if you'd like, of course. You can, that's a little too big. I don't want to move that. That was an accident. Okay. Okay, but yeah, that is pretty much it. Then when you hit recording, you can record, and the whole time this avatar will follow what you do, talk the whole time you're talking. If you move the controller, it actually moves with you. There you go, I'm just moving it real quick just to show you guys. And that's basically it, and this is like the easiest way I've found to do an avatar. And like I said, everything, all these programs are going to be in the description below. They're all free. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if anyone has any questions or basically want me to make any more videos or show you anything else about these programs, I will gladly do it. I really don't have a problem with it. You can always comment down below. I answer every single comment I will get. Okay, so thank you everyone for watching. And if you would, I will have links up if you want to vote for my first big project. Of course, it's between the book I was planning or a song I was writing. And I will, of course, sing and perform that depending on what is, decided. But once again, thank you everyone for watching. I hope everyone has a kawaii-filled day. And I will see you in the next video. Love y'all. Bye, everybody.